Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a Stripe Express account. So all you have to do is head over to stripe.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. You should then be redirected to your dashboard. Then from here, just head over and click on the settings button. Then in the settings page under the product settings, just click on the connect link. Then next is click on onboarding options. And from here, all you have to do is customize and select which options to apply to connected accounts during onboarding. That includes selecting countries, also transfer funds to newly supported countries, and add products that you need, and also the payment methods. Just make sure that you tick the box on all the options that you're going to need. And once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!